Repeat. Soma. Listen intently and watch carefully. Sounds. This is a, e, I, O, a. Again. A, e, I, O, a. These. B, k, d, g, j, k, r. No. L, m, n, p, qu, qu, r, s, t, z, w, x, I, z. Once more. B, b, k, k, d, d, g, g, h, h, j, j, k, k, l, l, m, n, p, p, qu, qu, r, s, s, t, t, v, v, w, w, x, x, I, z, z. So Patricia.
A,
Mm.
E,
Yes.
I,
Mm.
O,
Yeah.
A,
Good. Mm-hmm.
B,
Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Not g, it's g, g, g. Kona ko g. Not g, g, g. Mm. 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 Yes.
Mm,
Mm.
Mm,
Mm.
Mm,
Mm. Mm-hmm. Yes.
U,
Mm.
S,
Yes.
T,
Yep.
V,
Mm.
W,
Yes.
X,
Mm.
I,
Yes.
Z.
Thank you. Mm-hmm.
I started the vowel and consonant sounds.
You start. You see, I start with. Of
Okay,
course, with sounds. We are on sounds.
okay.
Yeah.
A,
Mm.
U,
Mm.
I.
Hey, today we do. Let's begin afresh. Mm-hmm.
Okay. A,
Mm.
E,
Mm.
I,
Mm.
O, A,
Good.
A,
Mm. Mm.
D,
Mm. Mm.
G,
G, not G. G. G.
G,
Mm-hmm. Mm.
J, J,
Mm. Mm.
Mm,
Good.
Mm,
Good. Mm.
K,
Mm.
L,
Yeah.
T,
Mm.
M, T, T,
Mm-hmm.
V,
Good.
W,
Mm.
X,
Mm.
I,
Mm.
Z.
Good. Thank you.
Welcome.
Just listen. Muwulirize. Ebajja ku mulamwa mubigobere wala nga bwe musomye amaloboozi ago. bwe tuga blendinga together ne tukolamu ebigambo as we're going to do our practice. Are we together? Are these? Zino nkulu naye zino nkulu nnyo nnyo. Because without these ones are meaningless. Awatali zino tezirina makulu. Era ebigambo bye twogera ne bye tusoma oba lulimi ki oba luki zino ze zituwa okwogera nga tweyambisa zino. Kitegeeza we blend these ones with these ones ne twatula. Ekyokusoma nga tetwatula si kwejalaba nno, tetuli mu kuzannya buzannyo, tetuli mu kuyisa bivulu, nga zikyali mu bwakasiru. That's how they must sound. The a, e, I, o, a, ba, k, d, f, g, h, j, k, l, m, n, p, k, r, s, t, v, u, x, I, z. The next time I'm going to ask you to say those sounds without saying them. Kaziva mutwe. And I'll do that soon. On Friday, that's when we do repeat. So be ready for that. Teri kutunula wantu wonna. You read it. Now, guys, like we've said, to make what we call syllables, nga tugenda okuforminga ebigambo, we first make syllables, ennyingo. Okay? Ennyingo zivaawa? Ennyingo zijja nga tugatta enjatuza n'ensirifu. Vowels with consonants, blending vowels with consonants, we get syllables. Don't get confused. Okay? We have different types of syllables.
But teacher, I think teacher oberenga ozineminga.
Listen. Okuba Teddy ku lukokola.
Okay.
Mwakumire ku lukokola.
Don't kill me.
So, we have different types of syllables. Nenga zonna ziva one. There are 7 of them if we separate vowel teams from vowel diagraphs. Tulina ebika by'ennyingo 7 mulamba singa tuba twawudde vowel teams ne ku vowel diagraphs. In the future, we'll see what are vowel teams and what are vowel diagraphs. Sorry, if we separate vowel diagraphs or vowel teams from diphthongs, because the vowel diagraphs and teams, it's the same thing. So, among those, we have the very first one. Kwezo omusanvu njoge kuba mukaaga ze njogerako. Ekisookera ddala, ekika ekisooka ekya syllable. It's the open syllables, the ones that look like this. Open syllables. The second one, closed syllables. These ones like these. The third one is the so-called a vowel, consonant, and silent E. Call it a bossy E or magic E. The fourth one is what you call a raconto, the one that looks like this. This. It's a syllable type. The fifth one is vowel teams. You can call them vowel diagraphs, stroke diphthongs. We will look at them one by one. And the last one, the very last one, the sixth, is consonant LE. You usually see with words that end with a consonant then LE at the end, as in the word uncle, bubble, struggle, bottle, those. That's nyingo. Even the word syllable, it has that type of nyingo. So zonna nga bwe muziwulidde osobola okusiŋŋanda ebika by'ennyingo nga bibiri bisatu nga biri mu kigambo kimu. So once you learn them all, tosobola kaluubirirwa. You can easily determine every type of syllable that appears in a word. Tuli ffenna? So